Welcome to SlideBazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a series dedicated to helping you master PowerPoint. In this video, we'll explore how to align and arrange objects on a slide to create a professional and polished presentation. Before we begin, I highly recommend checking out SlideBazaar's free PowerPoint add-in to improve your presentation design process. Links to the add-in are in the description below. Let's get started. Aligning and arranging objects correctly on your slides can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your presentation. You can access all the tools you need to align and arrange objects in PowerPoint in the Format Tools sidebar that you get with SlideBazaar's add-in. But in case you don't have that, here's what you can do. To align objects on a slide, you can click on an object and drag them around on your slide. At some points, you will see a dotted line appear. When you drag the object along these lines, they will snap to it, giving you perfect alignment options. These lines are called smart guides, and if you can't see them, right-click the slide, go to Grid and Guides and select Smart Guides. You can use smart guides to snap objects to the middle of the slide easily. If you've got multiple objects on your slide and you want to align them, you can use these lines as well. For example, let's place an object at the center of the slide and two others right next to it. More dotted lines appear that will help you achieve uniformity. Check out these lines, which mean that the objects are equidistant from each other. While arranging objects on your slide, you can hold the Shift key to move the objects in a straight line. In some cases, you might want a more accurate way to align and arrange elements in your slide. To do this, you can use the Align options in PowerPoint. To get started, select the objects you want to align. You can do this by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each object. Go to the Format tab in the ribbon. Click on Align in the Arrange group, and you will see several options. The first three options you can use to align single or multiple objects to the left, center, or right. The next three options can be used to align them to the top, middle, or bottom of the slide. Now, in some cases, when you're trying to design something like a timeline, you may need to evenly arrange elements on your slide. To do this, you can use the Distribute button. Let's try arranging a few elements on your slide by distributing them. Select the elements, go to the Format tab, click on Align, and select Distribute horizontally. Now, there are two ways you can distribute objects on your slide. You can align to slide or align selected objects. And here's the difference between them. The Align Selected Objects option aligns objects to each other, so you end up with objects in a horizontal or vertical order, equidistant to each other. The Align to Slide option aligns the objects to your slide as well. This ensures that the shapes are also equidistant from the sides of the slides. This is the best way to evenly arrange objects on your PowerPoint slide. Now, when you're trying to align objects with multiple elements like this, make sure you group the elements that need to be treated as a single object. Select all the elements and press Ctrl+G to group them. You can ungroup them by pressing Ctrl+Shift+G. You can easily create timelines using this method. In some cases, you may need to arrange multiple elements on your slide. Take this example. The image is behind the object, and I need to move it to the front. Simply select the image, go to the Format tab, and click on Bring Forward. You can also right-click the object and do the same. If you have many layers and need to move the object to the front of all other objects, click on Bring to Front. To make things easier, PowerPoint has a selection pane that you can use to rearrange the slides easily. Simply drag each object up and down to bring them to the front or back. This feature is a lifesaver when you have many objects on your slide and you want to arrange them. For more help with alignment, you can also consider turning on gridlines and guides by going to the View tab. You can use guides for reference when designing a slide, and you can even customize them. Simply click on the guides and drag them to move them around. Hold the Control key and drag the lines to duplicate them. Right-click the line to add more vertical and horizontal guides. To delete a line, right-click and delete it, or simply drag them away from your slide. These are great if you want to maintain consistency across all your slides. By mastering these alignment and arrangement techniques, you can ensure your slides look organized and professional. I hope this guide has been helpful. Do not forget to check out SlideBazaar's free PowerPoint add-in to enhance your presentation creation experience. The links are in the description. Subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video.